Pag-usapan naman natin si dating PNP Chief Nick Torres.
Oh, si Nick.
Ano ba talaga yung dahilan kung bakit siya natanggal sa pwesto? Sabi raw, yung mga sabi-sabi, may mga gusto siyang ibalik sa PNP na hindi naman dapat.
Hindi ganun. Napakasimple lang. Hindi talaga sila magkasundo ng Napolcom. Talaga sinasabi niya, I don't agree with what they do. Pinapaliwanag, nag-uusap nga kami, sabi ko, kay chain of command yan, that's the civilian authority, hindi mo pwedeng hindian yan. Sabi niya, hindi ko talaga kayang gawin. Sabi ko, i-relieve kita. Sabi niya, what can I do? I think he was also like a good commander. He was protecting his people.
So wala namang loss of confidence on
No,
your part.
he
Sean?
did ang galing na pulis.
Pinuri niyo pa sa SONA.
Ang galing niya ang galing na
Yes.
pulis. Talaga, so don't worry. Ako, pag kami nakilala ko na marunong na ganyan, it just has to find his niche kung ano ba talaga well, his specialty niya is police work. And so we'll find a way to avail of his talents.
So it's not because may gusto siyang ipasok. I think I heard the
Yeah, marami.
General Medina, he wanted to bring back General Medina to the PNP, whereas dati nang natanggal itong si General Medina dahil
No,
nga
there was
sa
nothing.
involvement sa illegal drugs.
Walang ganon. There was nothing
Walang
like that.
ganon. Okay. Do we have a position in mind already for Nick Torre?
Let me tell him first before I tell you.
Clue! Clue.
Ikaw talaga, you and your clues.
Dito ba kasama ba sa mga independent body or
Ewan ko.
sige sige. Okay.
Naman ang susunod na kabanata.
Ay, hirap naman. Walang clue. Initials.
I'm making you work for your living.
Okay, okay.